Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to fix Snapchat is a camera app error. Follow these easy steps to easily fix this error. So I'm going to opening my Snapchat app, and as you can see, to use Snapchat, please allow access to your camera. Snapchat cannot take photos and videos without this permission. So if you're having these Snapchat is a camera app error, all you have to need, you have to give permission Snapchat for your camera. So all you have to need, go to your phone settings and scroll down, tap on apps and tap on this search apps icon, and here search for Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat, tap on permissions, and here scroll down and tap on camera, and all you have to need, just select allow, and that's all. You have to allow camera permissions for Snapchat. Once done, go ahead and relaunch your Snapchat app and you will see it's working perfectly. And if you're still facing the same error, all you have to need, uninstall your Snapchat app and you have to reinstall it from App Store or Play Store, and then sign into your account and hope this will fix the error. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.